balance it too, okay? So let's do this one. You're not going to do the subtraction yet. So you keep the 20 minus, but you can go ahead and do 5 divided by 5, okay, which is 1. And then you're not going to do the addition yet, but you can go ahead and do the multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. Now you just go left to right. 20 minus 1 is 19, plus 12 is 31. Okay? So 31 is the answer to that one. Okay? Now this one here, you need to do the parentheses first. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 plus 10. Then you can do the 15 divided by 3, which is 5 plus 10, which is 15. Okay. This one here, you work inside the innermost parentheses and then work your way out. Okay, so we do the 12 minus 3 is 9. So 9 divided by 3 times 4. Okay, now you can just go left to right. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 4 is 12. And then the last thing you're going to do is add 8, which makes it 20. This one here, you have to do the exponent first inside the parentheses. You do inside the parentheses, but inside that parentheses, you have to follow PEMDAS as well. So we have to do 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 is in this parentheses, and then you have minus this parentheses. So this is going to be 13 minus 3, and 13 minus 3 is 10. I got the 3 from 5 minus 2. This one here, you have to work inside the parentheses first. This exponent is outside of it. So this is 3, and it's still squared, divided by 3 plus 5. So 3 squared is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3, plus 5 at the end is 8. Okay, and then simplifying, you're just combining like terms. So I can combine the 7x squared and the 2x squared. That's going to give me 9x squared. 5x minus 7x is negative 2x. And negative 3 plus 8 is plus 5. Okay, so 9x squared minus 2x plus 5 is my answer. This one here, same thing. Combining like terms, 5y minus 6y is negative y, or negative 1y, but we're not going to write 1. Negative y. 2x plus 8x is 10x. And, oh, that's an x. It's hard to write when you're doing this through a video screen. As you can see, my writing's not even better than the whiteboard, but negative y plus 10x. Okay, that was combining these two, and then plus 3 at the end. So let's just rewrite that one. Negative y plus 10x plus 3. And you could have wrote that as like, you could have switched, like, you could add 10x minus y, as long as the 10x is positive and the y is negative. So you could add 10x minus y plus 3. Okay. This one here, okay, so I'll try to write small to fit it on there. Okay, so you've got 4x cubed plus 2x cubed, which is 6x cubed. Okay, and that's the x cubes. 7x minus 5x is positive 2x. Negative 3y minus 6y is a negative 9y. And 9 minus 3 is 6, positive 6. So 6x cubed plus 2x minus 9y plus 6. So your answer, you can't combine any of those, so that's where you're done. Naming these shapes, this is a ray, and it has to start with the x, the starting point, and go to y, and then so it's xy with the arrow, so it looks just like the picture, but that's not always the case. 10 is going to be, you could have either called it BA with the little line above, or you could have called it AB. On a line segment, it doesn't matter what order you go in. This one has several names, okay? You only need 2 letters for the line. Okay, remember 2 points make a line. So I could call it VM with the line above it and the little arrows. I could have called it MV. Could have went the other way. I could have called it XM. I could have called it MX. I could have called it MV. Oh, I've already got that one. I could have called it XV. Could have called it VX. There's lots of choices. So as long as you pick two of the letters and then go either direction, put the little arrows above, that's what you can name that one. This is another ray. It does not, it's a ray. It does matter which order you go in. You have to start with the starting point and go towards the arrow. So it's ML, and then your arrow always points to the right. Okay, so ML. Name the angle in 4 ways. So you've got angle A by the vertex. You can call it angle 4. You can call it angle TAL. Or you could have called it angle LAT. So there's its 4 names. Angle A, angle 4, angle TAL, angle LAT. And then this one, what is the degree angle of JKP? JKP is the full angle with both of these combined, so it's 55 degrees. Okay, 30 plus 25 is 55, because JKP is this full angle of both of them combined. So 25 and 30 is 55 degrees.